Good evening, everyone. Welcome back into our Wednesday night edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again. Boy, what a nasty day across the interior today. We had lots of rain, close to 3/4 of an inch at the airport at least, and the winds are gusting. We're looking at gusty winds throughout the night, so keep that in mind. It's going to be a really ugly evening. As far as our photograph for tonight, this is a beautiful one. This was taken by Smitty. That's what his friends call him. And this was a morning sunrise on the Chena. Once again, gorgeous colors, the beautiful pinks and the brights, reds and oranges and everything. And that, again, as always, if you have a photograph that you want to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Right now, 52 degrees. That's our high for the day. The overnight low, 45. It's still raining in, windy out there. The record high was 76 in 1987. Record low, 31 in 1965. Sunrise and sunset, about 15 hours and 25 minutes, a loss of 7 minutes from yesterday. The satellite radar once again showing this front blowing through really with a strong jet stream behind it. And again, we're still getting a lot of moisture coming off of the Bering Sea, moving through the interior, giving us those pockets of rain. And things are starting to clear out a little bit. And our latest radar, as you zoom in around the Fairbanks area, you see a steady flow of moisture coming in from the west to the east, moving right across the Fairbanks area, so no let up in sight for right now. What else is going on across the state? Well, over southeast Alaska, they're getting ready for a lot of rain. In fact, it's all with that frontal system we showed you earlier. Juneau, 66, 70 degrees at Ketchikan before the clouds moved in. Over the Anchorage Bowl, 65 degrees, a little shower activity there. Showers around Kodiak Island, 65 also. Cold Bay, 61, warming up from yesterday, cloudy skies. Up on the west coast, it looks really nice. 56 degrees, partly cloudy skies at Nome, and 53 at Bethel with, again, clear to partly cloudy skies. North of the North Slope, 40 degrees at Barrow with cloudy skies, and Fort Yukon, 55, and also cloudy. Lower 48 weather looks like this, and again, we're talking about hot temperatures around the Denver area. They finally cooled off around Salt Lake City. Once again, very, very warm over the desert southwest. Another warm day in Seattle, 83 degrees there. Minneapolis, 75, partly cloudy skies. Things are still pretty warm around the Dallas-Fort Worth area, 95 degrees there. Thunderstorms rumbling all over the deep south, and over the northeast, it's mainly partly cloudy to clear skies. Chicago, only 67 degrees for their high. On the satellite and radar, you can see a lot of energy moving across the southwest, all in association with that high pressure ridge that's helping to usher that in from the south and take it over the top. That combined with the heating is bringing more thunderstorm activity, and not a good thing for the folks over the Pacific Northwest as hot temperatures continue. And more expected tomorrow as the heat will expand all over the western half of the country. And temperatures once again will be way above normal, and humidities, right, will also add to the fire danger there. The jet stream, the newest outlook, is calling for a big dive down to the south across the Great Lakes. That will usher in some more thunderstorm activity over the Great Lakes, while out to the west, it'll start to cool down a little bit over the west coast. Even some rain moving back in the picture for the northwest, and they'll be greeting that with lots of enthusiasm. Back to Alaska for tomorrow, rain and snow showers in the Barrow region, cloudy skies at Nome, lingering rain for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior tomorrow, looking at rain continuing for Delta Junction, rain showers at Fairbanks, and rain and snow in Healy. That's right, rain and snow. And as far as southeast Alaska, heavy rains moving back in for Juneau. Rain will be developing at Ketchikan with a temperature of 60 degrees at Ketchikan, while over the southwest part of the state, rain showers at Cold Bay and Bethel, and mostly cloudy skies for Kodiak. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, looking at mostly cloudy skies at Anchorage, partly cloudy skies at Homer, and showers likely for Valdez. All right, time once again for our kids' weather. And we're doing weather facts this week, and the weather fact is really interesting because it takes place in Alaska. In 1976, Kiana, Alaska, 24 miles north of the Arctic Circle, had a weak tornado touch down. Yes, we can get tornadoes in Alaska. They're very weak, but still good enough to qualify as a tornado. And as always, thanks again to Mount McKinley Bank celebrating 50 years of service to the Fairbanks area. And a reminder, next week we'll be visiting with the kids at Anderson Elementary School at Eielson Air Force Base. One note to pass along for all you truckers, you should be aware that snowfall of more than 3 inches is likely from Anativik Pass northward, and snow is also possible in the Denali Park area tonight and tomorrow night. Keep that in mind. Our forecast, again, as you can see, the 5-day outlook, we're looking at showers once again on Friday, cloudy skies on Saturday and Sunday, and Monday will be partly cloudy skies with Tuesday showers. The temperatures, again, around the low to mid 50s, overnight lows dropping down to chilly conditions. We might even see some possible rain and snow Friday night here, but it'll be gone by the next morning because it'll rise back up to 50 degrees, but still interesting.